Hey, if you want to turn off Samsung Galaxy A36 5G without using your screen, for example, let's say that your screen is broken. So first of all, you will have to connect this cable, the USB-C cable, into your phone and also into your PC, just like this. Now you will have to click and hold both buttons, power key and the volume down button, but first just turn on the screen like that, and now use the two buttons combination. And you will have to hold them all the time until the phone turns off. So just wait for it. Now release, click and hold volume up button and the power key. Wait until your phone turns on back. And when you got this Samsung logo on the screen, you will have to release power key and keep holding volume up button. So this method will take around 1 or even 2 minutes because it actually takes like 40 seconds to turn on your phone automatically. Now you will have to release power key and only hold the volume up button until the recovery mode pops up. There we go. And right now all you have to do is just to disconnect the cable from the port and click once on the volume up button. So you will go to the power off, click on the power key, and now your phone will be turned off without touching your screen. If you find it useful, please leave a like and a comment below. And by the way, if you want to turn it on back, you will have to connect cable and then select to reboot system now instead of the powering off because it will boot up into the recovery mode.